Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building an automation for NGOs and non-profits. If you run a charity, a non-profit organization, a foundation, or any kind of community-based organization, this video is going to save your team hours of manual work every single week. We are building a donor management system using free tools. And by the end, every donation submitted will trigger a thank you email, log the donor into a tracker, and your team will get notified on Slack. The reality is that most NGOs in Uganda and across Africa, a donor visits your website, fills in the form, sends money, and waits for some days without any message of acknowledgement, no thank you, or confirmation that the money was received. That kind of experience destroys donor trust and kills repetitive giving. On the admin side, someone has to manually email every donor, copy their details into spreadsheets, and remember to tell the program's team. For busy organizations receiving dozens of donations every month, that's hours of repetitive work that could be eliminated. And that's exactly what we are doing today. We are going to use 5 tools. One is going to be Tally.so for donor submission form. Second, Zapier, the automation engine that connects everything. And third, Gmail for automatic thank you email. And fourth, Google Sheets as a donor tracker. And lastly, fifth, Slack to notify the team in real time. Let's start with donor form on Tally.so. Go to Tally.so, create a form, click new form, give the form your title, support Gracious Hands Uganda, then you need to start from scratch by adding the fields. You can either choose the already built-in form, or you can start from scratch. But you can also import. But as for now, let's try using AI to see how the form is going to be created for us. Yep, here we are. Yeah, the form has been created using AI, so everything is set. The name, the email address, phone number, what inspired you to donate, anonymous, yes, submit button also included. We're going to publish. After I'll copy the link, which I'll share with the people, the one we share all the donors. So here we are trying to test how the form works by acting like I'm a donor. So I'm filling in my details, filling in the form, the amount, what inspired me to donate. Yep. Yes. Thank you for the. Okay. After, you shall have to go to Zapier to set up the automation. You come to create, click create. Now here you come to Zap to set up the automation. You come to click create. Or if you already have the Zap already, donor tracker, thank you plus tracker. Okay. Now let's go to trigger. You come to trigger, search for Tally.so as your first trigger. Yep. choose event, and later connect your new account. You come to Tally, connect the account. Yep, connecting. To continue, please authorize Zapier to access the following information from your Tally. Connected, close. You come back to our Zapier, click continue. Yep. So continue. Then you have to just the trigger. Yes. Now we are on action 2, that is the automatic email. So as you see, the steps. One thing you have to know that this thing was pre-recorded before the actual audio was put. That's why you see some of my speeches are not matching with the video. This was recorded using a screen recorder, and right now I'm on OBS trying to talk through what I did. And here we are. So this is how the steps goes. I'm not explaining everything, but just follow the steps by looking at the video. Give your form name, Precious House Uganda. After that, we shall have to fill in the email, to fill in the fields. So this is the email body I tried to fill in. I have follow. Just follow the steps. Zapier is really a good automation tool which can help you save time, because most of the thing, the way you set it, if you set it well, everything will be done automatically. Yes, I am trying to map the form fields. I'm doing mapping. Just the step, yeah. So after that, I'll try to publish. Yep. So I want to see so after that I'll have to come to my Google Sheets and fill in the details, and first give my form a name, and later fill in the form details. As you can see what I did. Yes guys, that is how it is. That is done, how it is done. Yep. So you shall have to go back to Zapier and click First edit Zap, then click the plus button, search for Google Sheets, then action event has to then after you have to connect the Google Sheets with the Zapier automation. Choose an account. Accept. Back to Zapier. Google Sheets, just continue. Now you have to make sure that you map to the mapping of the fields. Continue. Yes. Submission in Tally.so. Yes, this is what I did. Through by recording the screen. Like I explained to you, I didn't talk through the video while I was recording. I did it plainly with no any audio. So you guys just follow the steps. Just follow the steps as the video is shown. Continue. Just follow the steps. In my next videos, I'll try to, while I'm screen recording, I have to make sure that I speak what I'm doing. But this time around, I don't know what really happened. I just found myself recording and I didn't speak anything. So I'm here struggling on OBS to make sure that the video has an audio. Yep. Create a channel. This is now in Slack, the last action, where your team shall be notified always whenever a donor has made a payment or has filled in the form you give him through a link from Tally.so. Yep, back to Zapier. Test step. Publish. Oh, my free plan has expired. Okay, but I want to use a test run instead of the actual publishing. To come, click yes. Slack has been added as a last action. Yep. Now you are connecting the Slack. Yep. Back to Zapier. Come and fill in the message text. Yep. Yep. Yes. Now you're trying to map the message text. You're trying to map everything. Ovdje. Glasa koliko možeš. Click publish. And that's your complete NGO donor automation. From the moment someone fills the form, a thank you email is sent. Donor logged into your tracker, your team notified on Slack. If you are an NGO, a non-profit, a church, a foundation, or a charity in Uganda or anywhere in Africa, this kind of system will transform on how you manage your donors. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more automation tutorials every week. And if you want this built for your organization, my contact details are in the description. See you in the next one.